morning to respected Principal Father Joseph, Father Benny, Finance Administrator, Dr. Yvonne Fernandez, Coordinator Inspire, faculty members, and precious young minds of tomorrow. It is said that science is an ever-emerging field. New discoveries in science will continue to create 1,000 new frontiers for those who would still adventure. Inspire Internship Science Camp 2014 Day 5 is all set to help you adventure one of the paramount and interesting field of study today. Today, we have with us one of the finest professors this college has ever seen. His personality is charismatic. He is the person of determination and dedication. He is none other than Dr. Ramesh Kothari, our very own Kothari sir. Today, sir is going to throw some light on one of the oldest form of organisms on earth. It is said that they are on earth since millions of years. They are single-cell organisms so tiny that millions can fit into the eye of a needle. They are everywhere. There are more of them on a person's hand than there are people on the entire planet. Without them, we couldn't eat or breathe, but they would probably be just fine without us. Lastly, without these invisible companions, our planet would not survive as we know it. These are microbes. Today, sir is going to talk about the interesting world of microorganisms. Before I invite sir to begin, let me brief you all on sir's impressive credentials. Dr. Ramesh Kothari, Senior Assistant Professor and Head, Department of Microbiology, Christ College, Rajkot. By education, sir is a PhD from Sarvas University. Apart from MSc and BSc, sir has CES and CDM degree from IGNOU, while sir is a visiting researcher in the University of Medicine and Dentistry of New Jersey, USA. In the experience box, sir has an experience of 14 years as full-time lecturer, 4 years as an ad hoc lecturer, and 10 years in postgraduate as a visiting professor. In the research experience, sir has in all 16 years of experience, 1 year pre-doctoral, 5 years of doctoral, and 11 years of postdoctoral. In the publication corner, sir has 30 peer-reviewed journals, 3 books and 1 article published, and 30 international, 74 national, and 5 state-level conferences. In research guidance, 3 students have done their PhD under sir. 1 has submitted the synopsis, while 5 are pursuing. Apart from that, sir has 5 publications in the whole genome sequences and 630 papers submitted in nucleotide sequences. Short-term courses, workshops, seminars and symposia 8, orientation program 1, refresher courses attended 2, and 1 video talk. Research projects, sir has 2 major research projects, while 1 minor research project. With reference to awards and recognition, sir is a recognized PhD guide, recognized PG teacher. Sir is a reviewer and a member of interview committee panel in Sauras University and GTU, and sir is also a member of RTC at RK University. Moving on again, sir is also a member of ad hoc board of biotechnology, Sauras University, ad hoc board of bioinformatics, member and other than chairman board of microbiology, member of ad hoc board of studies of MPhil, National Resource Management, Sauras University, member of ad hoc board of studies, Wildlife Institute of India, Dehradun. Membership, sir is a member of ASM, American Society for Microbiologists, SASNET, AMI, BRSI, SSE, HEF, and so on. Sir has done collaborative research with University of Medicine and Dentistry of New Jersey, USA, collaboration with Bioscience University, Animal Biotechnology Anand, Pharmaceutical Biosciences, Sauras University, Biochemistry, Sauras University. And sir has also been a visitor to various countries, namely USA, Switzerland, and Australia. And today, sir is going to talk on exploration of microbes, a fascinating world of tiny creatures. Before I hand over mic to Sir, I invite Mr. Hardik Udeshi to present a bouquet of flowers to Sir. Thank you, Hardik. Thank you, Sir. Now I invite Sir to carry on with the session.
Respected convener of Inspire 2014, Dr. Yvonne Fernandez, my fellow colleagues and dear students. Good morning all of you. I hope you all have a cup of tea and a little bit energy. So I think you already had 2 sessions on microbiology. One was on biodefense from Dr. A.K. Goyal and one Professor S.R. Dave. I will try to give something different from this, and I would like to discuss about opportunities in the field of microbiology. I will start with, let me give tribute to the stalwart of this field. We all know that Anthony van Leeuwenhoek, popularly known as father of microbiology and probably the first microbiologist on this planet Earth. We will not discuss detail about his contribution, we all are aware of it. Then Louis Pasteur, who is known as father of modern microbiology, and his contribution in the field of vaccination, microbial fermentation and pasteurization is very well known. Every day we have a glass of milk, Amul milk. It is written on that pouch, it is pasteurized. This is due to this gentleman. And Robert Koch, he saw that microorganisms cause particular disease. Developed pure culture method, identified the causative agent of anthrax, TB and cholera. We know that to cause a disease, there are certain criteria. As such, microorganisms cannot cause disease. So, popularly known as cause postulate, he gave certain guideline that there should be enough number of microorganisms to cause disease. Once you are suffering with disease, there should be presence of that microorganisms. You should be able to isolate that organisms from that sample. And again, you are supposed to inoculate in the healthy person. And if this healthy person is suffering again from disease, then it is sure that these organisms are pathogen. So, his contribution is also very well known in the field of microbiology. Thanks. We know that in the world of observation, chance favors prepared mind. You are at the age of, at the point of your career. From this, your career will take a particular mode. You are supposed to observe. It is a golden principle in the field of microbiology. There are crores of organisms, billions, trillions of organisms, with each and every with tremendous potential. So, if you have a sharp observation, opportunities are there. ઘણીવાર ગુજરાતીમાં કહે છે કે લક્ષ્મી ચાંદલો કરવા આવે ત્યારે મોઢું ધોવા જવાય નહીં. ઓલરેડી મોઢું ધોઈને તૈયાર રહેવું પડે, નો? Otherwise, opportunity, we miss opportunity. And very well known survival of the fittest and struggle for existence. These are the golden statement in the field of science. You can survive if you are fit. And to be fit, you are supposed to struggle. હિરોઈનોને જોયા છે ને બધાને મસલ્સ 5-5 કલાક એક્સરસાઇઝ કરતા હોય. Fine. So they are struggling to fit because it's a nature's rule. If you want to be fit, you are supposed to struggle. If you struggle, you will be fit in the environment. And if you are not fitting, then you will be eliminated from the nature. Next. We know that life is made up of lifeless elements. What do you mean by life is made up of lifeless elements? 150 કિલોનો માણસ જ્યારે સ્વર્ગવાસ થાય, આપણે કહીએ છીએ સ્વર્ગવાસ, we never know, એ નરકવાસ પણ હોય, સ્વર્ગવાસ પણ હોય. સ્વર્ગવાસ થાય એટલે શું થાય? ઇમિડિયેટલી આપણે ગમે તેટલો એને પ્રેમ કરતા હોય, within 2 hours we plan that this body should be out of home, isn't it? Then when this body is burned, 150 kilogram converted to 500 gram of ash, where 149.5 kilogram goes. Can anybody? 150 કિલોનો માણસ મરે, જ્યારે તમે એને સળગાવો 149.5 કિલોગ્રામ ક્યાં જાય? 500 ગ્રામ જ ઓલા અસ્થિ હોય ને, પછી આપણે ભરીને ક્યાંય પધરાવવા જાય તો 149.5 કિલોગ્રામ ગયું ક્યાં? Cell contains 90% water, isn't it? Water gets evaporated. Cell is made up of how many elements? Generally people say that આપણું શરીર પંચમહાભૂત તત્વનું બનેલું હોય. માઇક્રો ઓર્ગેનિઝમનું શરીર અને ફંક્શનિંગ 6 મહાભૂત તત્વ: કાર્બન, હાઇડ્રોજન, ઓક્સિજન, નાઇટ્રોજન, સલ્ફર એન્ડ ફોસ્ફરસ.